What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Matic and Bitcoin and what kind of relationship they have, because feels like everything Bitcoin does, the Matic does as well. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to check both price charts. So at the moment, we are on Matic price charts, a day chart, as you can see. And if you flick to Bitcoin price chart, you can see that both charts, they look very similar. So this is Bitcoin, this is Matic, Bitcoin and Matic. Okay, and the more I zoom in, the more they look similar. Okay, so let's check at Bitcoin first. Okay, so Bitcoin hit the 19k and now is ranging between 20 and 21k. So let me flick to 3-hour chart and let's see what's up with Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin, broke the 90k level. Okay, and then from there, sellers decided, okay, it's time to push the price back up, and they did, right? So then from there, Bitcoin found a new support level, which is this one right here, 20k. Okay, and from there Bitcoin started to range between 20k and 21k. Okay, so as you can see right here, it's been ranging from 21 to 20k. And for Bitcoin to show bullish momentum, Bitcoin had to break this 21k and try to hit the 23k line. Okay, but it's been struggling to surpass the 21k. Okay, so if we zoom in a little bit more, okay, we can see that Bitcoin failed to as you can see right here, it was going up, right, but it failed to break the 21k again, and sellers decided to push the price down. Okay, and obviously once Bitcoin goes down, every other coin and token goes down too. Usually altcoins go down at the same time as Bitcoin, and Bitcoin ended up going back to the previous support level, which is the 20k. Okay, so if we zoom in again, right, so let's go to the 3-minute chart, we can see that Bitcoin touched the 20k, right, and sellers came in once more and say, hey, let's push this price back up again, right? And that's what we are seeing right now. So feels like Bitcoin is gonna attempt to reach the 21k and break this 21k one more time. Okay, so it's a nice swing trade. So if you catch the price over here, or even here, right where it is right now, up to 21k, which is let's say right here, so it's 3.49%. okay, so if you had to go long, so you put your over here, so you go long, so you go to the previous all-time high, so you go long, go up to this one right here. Okay, let me take this one out. Oh god damn it. Anyway, and if you're gonna go short, you just short, let me see, you're just gonna go short on this one right here. So you're just gonna go short right here, okay, just below the support level. Okay, so this is the trade that I would do. Let me just take this one out. I took the wrong one. Let me just get this one out of the way. Do you know what? Never mind. So I just want to get this one out. Screw this. Right, so yes, that's the trade that I would do. Okay, so I would place my trade right here. Obviously I don't trade Bitcoin because I don't have enough funds for Bitcoin right now, but if I had to place a trade, I would place a trade like this. Okay, so if I lose, I would lose 0.57%, and if I win 3.7%. Okay, so now back to Matic. Okay, so let's check Matic. Damn it, this thing keeps popping up. So this is the Matic daily charts. Okay, all-time high is 297. Okay, crazy to think that at some point Bitcoin Matic was worth nearly $3. Okay, and then ever since Bitcoin started crashing, Matic followed along. Okay, so let's zoom in. Let's see what's up with Matic. Okay, also before we go into that, I decided to draw these supports and resistance levels. So I would call it key points. Okay, points of interest where the token price touches several times. As you can see right here, it touches on these key points several times. That's why I decided to make these 4 lines. And then eventually, once the price chart comes around this area, I will make new interesting points of interest. That's it. So let's go back to 3-hour charts. Okay. So in 3-hour charts, we can see. So let me just show you Bitcoin so you can see the same thing. You will see how similar they look. Let me put this down. Yes. Okay, so this is Bitcoin right here, and this is Matic. Okay, so 3-hour chart. As you can see right here, they look very familiar. Okay, this is Bitcoin, and this is Matic. Okay, they look very similar, right? So yes, Matic, Bitcoin, Matic, Bitcoin. So back to Matic, right? So we can see that Matic, ever since he touched the bottom, I shall say, so around 30 cents, okay, bounced back up, and then from 30 cents went all the way to 62 cents. Okay, and then from there, Bitcoin price went down, and Matic followed along. Okay, so let me zoom in again. Let me show you what's happening with Matic. So if we zoom in, we can see that Matic did the same thing as Bitcoin. Okay, so this is 30-minute chart. So let's flick it to 30 minutes, and we can see right here that Bitcoin did this. Okay, Bitcoin did this right here, and Matic did the same thing. I was like, what the hell is going on here? Okay, and then Bitcoin failed to break this resistance line, and price crashed, and same thing. Okay, even though Matic didn't have a support resistance line right here, it failed to surpass this, and because Bitcoin crashed, Matic crashed as well. Okay, so if Bitcoin keeps on going down, okay, Bitcoin might end up touching the 19K again. So if that's the case, Matic might go down to 30 cents again, which is the previous support level. Okay, so if I had to place an order on Matic, let me flick it to 3-minute chart. Let me see what's happening. So if I had to place an order with Matic, it's hard to predict because there is no floor over here. There is no points of interest in this area. Okay, so it touched over here on the 28th today. Okay, and then before that there is nothing else. Okay, so this is a new area for Matic, so it's hard to say. So if you check back over here, so we can see that price was touched this area a few times. So if you draw a line right here, okay, so we can say this is an area of interest. So let me make this one yellow. Okay, and let's zoom in and let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is an area of interest. Okay, so we can say this one and probably this one right here. This one, yeah, I would say over here. So I'll make this one green. Okay, And yes, there you go. So because this yellow line, it's an area of interest, okay? So depending on what Bitcoin might do next, if Bitcoin keeps on falling, if it breaks this 20K and falls to 90K, so Matic will break this 51 cent support level, and it will drop to the next support level, which is the 45 cent, okay? But all that will depend on how Bitcoin will perform, okay? And then if Matic will go up, okay, so the next level, has from what I can see right now, it's the 56 line, okay? So it touches this line several times. So I'm going to draw a line right here, and I'm going to make it red. This is a resistance line, and as you can see right here, you know, this is an interest line because from what I can see on this price chart, Matic touched this line right here and failed to cross, and the price was pushed back down, okay? So if I had to place a trade on Matic right now, I would wait a few more hours to see what Bitcoin will do next. If Bitcoin crosses this line right here, and if Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin breaks this barrier, okay, breaks this line, okay, so because most of the traders, they will place an order right here. They go long, okay, and they go short right here, okay, just below this green line, okay. And if Bitcoin breaks this red line, okay, the sellers, they will sell, because, and the people that have gone long, they will sell the Bitcoin as well, because, you know, the stop loss is right here, just below this green line, okay. If that happens, we will see a big fall. So we will see the Bitcoin falling to the 19K. And if that happens, the same thing will happen to Matic, because like I showed you, Matic has been doing the same thing as Bitcoin, okay. So if Bitcoin fails, if Bitcoin breaks below 20K, let's say 20K, Matic will break below 50 cents, okay. So then Bitcoin will have a drop of so from here to here is 4.3%, and let's see how much Matic. So from here to here is 9%, but you know, let's say, so from here, so 4%. So let's say here, so Matic could be falling up to 47 to, or I would say 45 cents, okay. So all will depend on Bitcoin, okay. So if I had to place an order to buy Matic, which I will have to first see how Bitcoin will perform. If Bitcoin breaks this line, this red line right here, the 20K point $250, 2250, that means Bitcoin will fall to 19K. If that's the case, the Matic will fall to 45 cents, okay. So I would hold my horses, hold my USDT, USDC in this case, and I would place an order right here to buy Matic at 45 cents, okay, because, you know, eventually Matic price will go back up, and if you buy it here and Matic tries again to break this 56 cents, right, so that's a 20, let's say 24.98%, okay, gains, right? Beautiful. Okay, that's just my opinion. Obviously, I'm not an expert, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is just what I can see from these two price charts, okay. So now you make your own conclusions and make your own moves, okay. So yes, that being said, I will give you an update as soon as I see big changes in these price charts, okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Have a beautiful day. Peace.